Hello, my dear students. Welcome to Teacher at Home. Today class we are going to learn the fourth chapter, that is smaller length and bigger length. Okay. So estimate how long these pencils are. So first we have there is a blue pencil and a red pencil. In the blue pencil the given here is how many centimeter? It is 6 centimeter. In the scale it is shown. See here it is 6 centimeter. The next one. Whereas that of the red pencil, it is how much? It is 7 centimeter. Less than 7, not exactly 7, less than 7. 1 centimeter is divided into 10 smaller lengths. So if you are taking 1 centimeter, here is 1 centimeter, it is divided into 10 equal divisions. We can see 10 divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4, and one big line that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and big line that is 10. Millimeter, smaller length is called millimeter. 10 millimeter is equal to a centimeter. So each millimeter is 1/10. Each millimeter is 1/10 of a centimeter. So the red pencil is 6 centimeters, 7 millimeters long. Millimeter is represented by how much? Mm. The red pencil is 6 millimeter more in length than blue, 7 millimeter more in length. Okay. Here it is 6, but here what we have to write here? 7. Okay, do this. Measure the length of the object item given below and record in the table. Item, object, measure length. Your pencil. So you have to measure your pencil using a scale. So write that if it is how much? That is 8 centimeter or 2 millimeter. Like that you can write. Chalk. Chalk is how much? Maybe 4 centimeter and 1 millimeter. Your thumbnail. Thumbnail is how much? Maybe 3 centimeter and 4 millimeter. Your longest finger in hand. It may be how much? 5 centimeter, 1 millimeter. Your rubber. It may be 2 centimeter, 1 millimeter. Okay. Draw and measure the length of these lines. A line of half a centimeter and a line of 10 centimeter, a line of 6 centimeter, and a line of 15 centimeter. So here is the scale given. Half means how much it will come. Half means it will come up to here. Okay, this is half centimeter. The next one. Is 6 centimeter. We already said this is 6 centimeter. Next one is 6 centimeter. Then next one it is 10 and 15. Okay, this one is 10 centimeter and this one is 15 centimeter. Like this we have to draw and measure the centimeters given. Okay. Try this. Which insect that you know are of less than 1 centimeter in length? That is flies. B. It is less than 1 centimeter and also is less than 1 centimeter. Estimate the length of the chalk piece and color them as given below. Chalk of length 1 centimeter. It is red. Chalk of length between 1 and 2. It is blue. Chalk of length 2 and 3. It is green. Okay. Less than 1 centimeter. It is red. So less than 1 centimeter, this one is red. 2 and 3 will be like this. Okay. Less than 1. 1 and 2 it is blue. 1 and 2 it is blue. 2 and 3 it is green. 2 and 3 it is green. Country it is green. Okay. Sports day. Today is Rangaya Palli School's Sport Day. The result of long jump by six children are given in the table below. Lakshmi is 3 meter 25 centimeter. Shailaja 3 meter 60 centimeter. Kiran 3 meter 5 centimeter. Bhairav 3 meter 20 centimeter. And Nitin 3 meter 50 centimeter. So who is the winner? If we are calculating this, who is the winner here? 3 meter 60 centimeter. That is Shailaja is the winner here. So we have to write here as Shailaja. Shaila. Then how long has she jumped? She jumped 3 meter and 60 centimeter. 3 meter 60 centimeter. What is the difference in the length of the jump of a girl who has jumped the longest and the one who has jumped the longest and the shortest? Shailaja, that is 3 meter 60 centimeter, and the shortest. So 3 meter 60 centimeter minus, and those with the shortest. Kiran, Bhairav, not Kiran. Sandhya, 3 meter 10 centimeter. What is the difference? Difference is equal to 50 centimeter. 50 centimeter. Okay. How many more centimeters are to be jumped to meet the 4 meter target? Here 40 centimeter. 3 meter 60 centimeter plus 40 centimeter equal to 4 meter. 3 meter 5 centimeter plus 95 centimeter equal to 4 meter. 3 meter 20 centimeter plus 80 centimeter is equal to 5 meter. 3 meter 50 centimeter plus 50 centimeter is equal to 4 meter. Which vehicles can pass under the bridge? That is what is given here. Only vehicles less than 3 meter 50 centimeter height can pass under the bridge. Which of the vehicles will be able to pass under the bridge? What is the question here? Vehicles less than 3 meter 50 centimeter. What is 3 meter and 50 centimeter? If 3 meter is to be converted into centimeter, that what we have to do? Multiply with 100. That is, we can show here as 3 meter. Okay, 3 meter. If we are showing here 3 meter, that is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Like that we can show. Okay, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So therefore 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeter. Okay, so what is the meaning of 3 meter 50 centimeter? That's equal to 350 centimeter. Okay, clear? So which vehicles less than 3 meter 50 centimeter in height can pass under the bridge will be able to, which of these vehicles will be able to pass under the bridge? Vehicles will be able to pass under the bridge. Over the bridge they are not asking. Under the bridge which vehicles we have to tick. Less than 350 means this vehicle can pass, this can pass, and this vehicle can pass. Only this double decker bus will not be able to pass through it. Gorandla village. The route given below gives a difference between the important places in Gorandla village. Here is the church, Durga's house, then school, then what is there? It here is shop, post office, Wasim's house. Now answer the following questions based on the route map. Wasim crossed the post office, shop, and school to reach Durga's house. How much distance did Wasim cover? So Read the question once more. Wasim grows the post office. Here is the post office. Then shop. Where is the shop? Here is the shop. Then and school. There's the school here. Here is the school. To reach Durga's house. Where is Durga's? Here is Durga's house. Okay. How much distance did Wasim cover? So we have to calculate the distance covered by each region. Post office. How much is the distance of the post office? Here is the Wasim's house. Post office is 200 meter. So right here as 200 meter plus we have to add. Then shop. Where is the shop here? Here is the shop. So what is the distance here given here? Distance given it is 110 meter. Okay, 110 meter. So adding we get 110 meter. Then next school 100 meter. By that she will reach where he will reach where he will reach Durga's house. So if you are calculating how much it will be there, 0, 1, 4, 410 meter is the answer. Okay, how much distance did he cover? 410 meter. Durga left her house at the same time as Wasim to meet him. She crossed the church and post office to reach left her house at the same time. So Durga also she also left the house at the same time as Wasim to meet him. Okay, she crossed the church. What is the church here? Here is the church. 100 meter. Post office to reach Wasim's house. How much distance did Durga travel to reach Wasim's house? So here in this question we have to know about the distance of the church and also the post office. So the distance of the church here is 100 meter. Okay, distance of the church is 100 meter. That of. So here are the question. Distance of the church that is 100 meter. And that of the post office. Where is the post office here? Here the post office is Wasim's house to post office. Church to post office it is 140 meter. 140. Okay. At the same time, she crossed the church, that is 100 meter. Then to post office, 140 meter. To reach Wasim's house, also again, we have to add what? We have to add the final answer is 04440. 440 meter. Okay. So right here as 440 meter. Who took the longer route? Who took the longer route? Durga, isn't it? Durga took the longer route. Durga took the longer route. Okay. Shanu's bus trip to Hyderabad. Shanu is going to Hyderabad to visit his uncle's house. On the way to Hyderabad, he observed some milestones. Shanu is going to Hyderabad to visit his uncle's house. On the way, what happened? On the way to Hyderabad, he observed some milestones. Okay. Oh, Hyderabad is 80 kilometer away. So how many kilometers it is away? Hyderabad, 80 kilometers away. He observed this milestone 200 meter. Okay. 200 meter. Thereafter a few minutes he saw the milestone 400 meter. Then after a few minutes he saw this milestone 600 meter. And then 600, 800 meter. Then he observed the milestone 79 kilometer Hyderabad. We have traveled 1 kilometer between the 80 kilometer and 79 kilometer milestone. He looked confused. His mother explained. Okay, so what did his mother told him? His mother told that By adding these kilometers, see here, what are the kilometers given here? Kilometers we can add 200 meter is there. After that, 400, then 600, 800. Okay, here 200, 600. That is, the main thing is 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. That we have to understand first. Okay, this is the main point that the mother explained to him. Here are certain meters given, and her mother told that we have traveled 1 kilometer between the 80 kilometer and 79 kilometer. So from here, 80 kilometer Hyderabad to 79 kilometer Hyderabad, what they traveled is 1000. Okay, that is kilometers means 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. And we can answer this following questions now. How many 200 meter are there in a kilometer? Okay, so 1000 meter, we can write here 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So therefore 200 meter is equal to how much? That we have to write. Okay. So what's the question given here? 200 meter. We know that in 1000, how many 200 will make a 1000? 5 200 will make a 1000. So 5 into 200, that is equal to 1000. Okay. How many 100 meter are there in a kilometer? So first what we have to write here, we can write here as 5. How many 100 meter are there in a kilometer? How many 100 kilometer? 100 meter. 100 meter is equal to how many? 10 into 1000 is equal to 10 into 100 is equal to 1000. Okay, 1000. So what we have to write here? 10. Okay. Half kilometer is equal to dash meter. Half kilometer is equal to, half kilometer means what? 500 meter. 500 meter. How we got that? 1000 divided by, okay, 1000 divided by 2. That we got, how much we got? We got as 500. So right here 500. 1 by 4 kilometer. 1 by 4 kilometer means 1000 divided by 4. How much is that? 250. 250. So right here as 250 meter. The lengthy rivers of India. The table given below give details of the length of some major rivers of India. Name of river Godavari, length 1465 kilometer. Ganga 2526 kilometer. Krishna 1400 kilometer. Yamuna 1357, that is 1376 kilometer. And Narmada 1312 kilometer. Okay. Write the names of the rivers in the order of their length from the shortest to the longest. Name of the rivers from the shortest to the longest. Which one it is? We can name it first. Okay, number it first. Shortest 1 3. So this is 1. This one 2. Here 3. Then this one 4. So here it is 5. Okay. So we can write here as Narmada, comma. Then second one, Yamuna, comma. Then third one, Krishna, Shna. Then fourth one, Godavari, comma. Then it is Ganga. The longest river in the world is Nile, 6,650 kilometers. How much shorter is Ganga than the Nile? So the Nile is how much? 6,650. How much is Godavari? That we have to write here. Okay, 6650 minus 6650 minus that of Godavari is 1465. 1465. Okay. So 0 cannot be subtracted from 5. So borrowing 1 from here, it becomes 10. 10 minus 5, it is 5. Then what is here? It is 4 here. We cannot subtract 4 from 6. So borrowing 1 from here, it becomes 14. 14 minus 6, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So what we have to write here? We have to write here as 8. But now it becomes 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. 6 minus 1. How much it is 6 minus 1? 6 minus 1 is 5. 5185. Okay. How much shorter is the Ganga than the Nile means? What we have to write here? Shorter is the Ganga than the Nile. 5185. 5185. Okay. How much shorter is Godavari than the Nile? So what we have written here is, I think it is Godavari. Okay. We haven't written Ganga, it is Godavari. Okay. Kilometer. Then what we have to find here now? We have to find the first question, how much shorter is Ganga than the Nile? So the length of the Nile is 6650 minus, how much is that of Ganga? 2526. 2526. Okay, then subtracting 10 minus 6, it is 4. Borrowing 1 from here, it becomes 10. Okay, now it is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 6 minus 5 is 1. 6 minus 2, it is 4. So 4124. So write here as 4124. 4124. Okay. Length of some bridges on the rivers is given here under. Express them in kilometer, meter and centimeter. Prakasham barrage 1223 meter. So that is equal to 1.223 kilometer. Okay. Oh, we have to write this as separate also. 1 kilometer, 223 meter. How is that? We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So this much meters. Say I will write here. 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So therefore 1223 meter is equal to 1 kilometer, 223 meter. Okay, 223 meter. In the same way, you have to do this also. Then what is here? Dhavaleshwaram barrage 2701 meter, and that is also to be converted. What we have to do here? 701 is equal to 2 kilometer 701 meter. Okay, like this also write to here 701. Then estimate the distance between your school and home. So that you have to write yourself. How is the distance between? How much is the distance between your school and home? Estimate the distance between your village and your mandal headquarters. So the distance between your school and home is that may be around 5 kilometers or 10 kilometers like that. And you have to write, and also the distance between your village, if it is village, you can write. How tall I am. The teacher of Matarapalli Primary School conducted a health club. The doctor recorded the height and weight of the children in the health cards. This is Sonic's card. So the health department they came to the primary school which is in Matlapalli and they conducted the health camp. In that what they had written it is the what they had noted it is the height and weight of the children. And here is one example given. Name is K. Soni, father's name is Srinivas. Studying in class 5, height is 4'11" and weight is 34 kg. What is Soni's height? 4'11" means here, isn't it? Before trying to answer this question, look at the scale in your geometry box. On one side, to have centimeters and also other side inches. Okay. A small scale like the one above shows 6 inches and a big scale shows 12 inches. 12 inches is equal to a foot. We write feet with a line single and inches with two lines. That is small scale like the one drawn above shows 6 inches. Okay, here is the inches. See here, here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is this? 6 inches. Here it is the centimeter. Below it is given 6 inches. And a big scale shows. If it is a long scale, what does it shows? It shows 12 inches. Okay, we write feet with a line. Single line means feet, 4 feet. Okay, this is 4 feet. And inches is written is like this. Here, how many inches are shown here? Here only 6, but here it is 11 inches. Okay, and record your height and your friend's height. So you can write some other name. I will write one example. Ajit. What is his height? His height it may be 4, 4A hyphen he is here, then 15 inches. Okay, then what is his weight? Height in inches, 56 inches. Like this, you have to write the rest. Who is the tallest? And also we have to write. Madhu's house is 3 kilometers away from his school and he covers 2 kilometers to 350 meters on cycle and the remaining distance on foot. How much distance does he cover on foot? That is Madhu's school means it is 3 kilometers away from his school. He covers 2 kilometers 350 meters on cycle and the remaining on foot. How much distance that he cover on foot? So what we have to write here? 3 kilometer we know that 3 kilometer is equal to 3000 meter minus how much he cover? He covered 2 kilometer 350 meter. So that is equal to 2350 meter. And if you are reducing, how much we will get? 0 minus 0, 0. 0 cannot be subtracted from 5. So borrowing 1 from here, it becomes 10. 10 minus 5, it is 5. Now here it is 9 minus 3. How much it is 9 minus 3? It is 6. Okay. 650 on foot. So we can write here as 3000 meter minus 2350 meter is equal to 650 meter. Okay. How many bricks of length 20 centimeter will be needed to keep along the foot of a wall of 80 meters long? So, how many bricks of length 20 centimeter? So, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. That is here what is given here 20 centimeter, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So that is fixed. Okay, so 20 centimeter, 20 centimeter is equivalent to how much that we have to find out. So for 1 meter, 100 centimeter, uh, that is equal to 1 meter. 20 centimeter means how many bricks will be needed? 5 bricks will be needed for 1 meter. Okay, 5 bricks is needed. 5 bricks is needed for how much? For 1 meter. Okay, 5 bricks it is needed for 1 meter. How is that? 20 into 5 is equal to how much? 20 into 5 equal to 100. So, 20 into 5 is equal to 100. So, 5 bricks it is necessary for 1 meter. So, for 8 meters means, therefore, for 8 meter means how many bricks will be needed? 8 meters means 5 into 8, that is equal to 40. Okay, 5 bricks for 1 meter. So for 8 meter, 5 into 8 is equal to 40. Or what is 40? 40 bricks. Okay, 40 bricks. And therefore, 80 for 80 meter they are having. The foot of a wall of 80 meter long. 80 meter long means 80 meter is equal to 5 into 80, that is equal to 400 bricks. So understood this problem? That is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. What is the length of one brick? Length of one brick is 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter. How many bricks is needed? 5 bricks is needed. Okay, length of one brick is 20 centimeter. So length of 5 bricks will be how much? 1 meter. So for 8 meter, 40 bricks. And therefore for 80 meter, 400 bricks. So we can write here 400 bricks. Okay, for 80 meter long, 400 bricks is required. Okay, clear? This is the steps. 12 kilometer. So, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Therefore, 12 kilometer is equal to 12 into 1000 into 1000, that's equal to 12,000 meter. Okay, equal to 12,000 meter. So what we have to write here is 12,000 meter. Then next one, 2 kilometer, 400 meter. What will be that? 2 kilometer, 2 km is equal to 2000 meter. Then 400 meter. Okay, adding plus 400 meter is equal to 400 meter. So we can write here as 2400 meter. 4500 meter, that is 4 kilometer 500 meter, 4 kilometer 500 meter. 7750 meter, 7 kilometer 750 meter. 22 millimeter is equal to dash centimeter dash millimeter. So what we have to do here is, first we have to understand what millimeter is. So here 1 centimeter, that's equal to 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So what about 1 millimeter? That is in the next step. Okay. So 1 millimeter, that is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. So if you are keeping this in this side, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So 1 millimeter is equal to 1 divided by 10 centimeter. Okay, clear? That is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So what about 1 millimeter? That will be equivalent to 1 by 10 centimeter. Okay, then our question is 22 millimeter. Our question is 22 millimeter. So that's equal to 22 millimeter is equal to 22 by 10 centimeter. So that is also is equal to 2 centimeter 2 millimeter. Okay. So we have to write like this. 2 centimeter 2 millimeter. Is it clear? That is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. So 22 millimeter is equal to 22 by 10 centimeter, which is equivalent to 22 centimeter 2 millimeter. Okay, 2.2 we will write. That is equivalent to this. Okay. Then what about 75 millimeter? How to write that? It is equal to 7 centimeter, and we can do this. Okay. So if you are doing here, see here, I will write once more. We had seen 1 millimeter, that is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. Okay, so what's our question here? Now our question is, our question is 75 millimeter. 75 millimeter. That is equal to 75 by 10 centimeter. So that's also is equal to, what we will write here? We'll write here as 7.5, which is again equivalent to 7.5 is equivalent to 7 centimeter 5 millimeter. Okay, so write here as 7 centimeter and 5 millimeter. Okay, 9 centimeter 5 millimeter. How can we write here as millimeter alone? Millimeter alone means, what about this? This will be 95. Okay, it will be 95, and here it will be 128. So here is the same we have to do here. 9 centimeter 5 millimeter, that is equal to 95 millimeter. Here again 128 millimeter. Okay, 9 centimeter 5 millimeter is equal to what will be it is here 95 by 10 centimeter. Like it will come. See here 95 millimeter is equal to 995 by 10 is equivalent to 9 centimeter 5 millimeter. Okay, in the same way 128 millimeter is equal to 12 centimeter 8 millimeter. Okay, so that's clear. Then Bindu's house and the market are in opposite direction from the school. The distance between Bindu's house and the school is 4 kilometers 660 meter. The distance between the school and the market is 2 kilometer 800 meter. Bindu goes from her house to the school and then to the market. How much distance has she traveled? That is Bindu's house and market. But what does it is showing? They are in the opposite direction from the school. And the distance between Bindu's house, opposite market are in the opposite direction from the school. Okay. Bindu's house and the school is how much? 4 kilometer 600 meter. 4 kilometer 660 meter. And the distance between the school and the market is 2 kilometer 800 meter. Okay, Bindu goes from her house to the school and then to the market. How much distance has she traveled? We have already told that the Bindu's house and market, that is school is in the middle and in the opposite direction is the house and the market. The distance to the school it is given as 4 kilometers 600 meter and that to the market it is given as 2 kilometers 800 meter. So what we have to add both. Okay, if you are adding, how much we'll get? 0, 6 plus 0, 6, 6 plus 8. 6 plus is 12, 6 plus 7, 13, 6 plus 8, 14, 4, balance 1, 4 plus 2, 6, plus 1, 7. 7460. 7460 means what? 7 kilometer. 7 kilometer 460 meter. 7 kilometer 460 meter. If you walk from Sana's house, you will first reach Remija's house and then their school. Sana's house is 2 kilometer 345 meter from school. And Remija's house is 1 kilometer 650 meter from school. What is the distance between Sana and Remija's house? That is, if you walk from Sana's house, you will first reach Remija's house and then their school. So we can write here, the data is given, we can write here. Okay, that is 2 kilometer and how much? 345 meter. Remija's house is 1 kilometer 650 meter. What is the distance between Sana and Remija's? So if we walk from Sana's house, we first reach Remija's house and then their school. Remija's house is this much kilometer from school and Remija's house is this much kilometer from school. So the distance means what we have to do? We have to subtract it first, isn't it? Why? Because if Sana is walking to school, she will first reach Remija's house and then only the school she will reach. But what is given here? Sana's house to school is this much kilometer and Remija's house to school is this much kilometer. So between these two people's house, how much is the kilometer that we have to subtract? Okay. In the first thing, how much distance has she traveled? That was asked. The opposite direction. It is already told, but this is in one direction. 5 minus 0, 5. 4 minus 5 not possible. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. 9 we can write here. Then what about here? Here it is 2. When it is borrowed, here it is 2. So borrowing 1 from here, it becomes 12. Okay, becomes 12. 12 minus 6, it is 6. Clear. 5. 14 minus 5, it is 9. Then borrowing 1 from here, it becomes 12. 12 minus 6 is 695 meter. Clear. So we can write here as 2 kilometer, 345 meter minus 1 kilometer, 650 meter. That's equal to 695 meter. A tailor uses 3 meter 10 centimeter of cloth to stitch one coat. How much cloth does he require to stitch 4 such coats? Either what is given here? 3 meter 10 centimeter of cloth to suit one coat. So for one cloth, stitching one cloth, he is using 3 meter 10 centimeter. Okay. How much cloth to stitch one coat? How much cloth does he require to stitch 4 such coats? So for one coat, we can write here as for one coat to stitch, he is requiring how much? 3 meter 10 centimeter. So for 4 such a coat, 4 coat, COAT, it is not 80. For 4 coat, that is equivalent to what we have today. This multiplied by 4. So 330 multiplied 4. So what is the answer? Here 0. 4 into 3 is 12. 2. Balance 1. 4 into 3, 12. 13. Okay. So one coat uses 3 meter. 3 meter. 4 clothes he used 3 meter 30 centimeter. Not 30, it is 10. Okay. So again there is a mistake. Here we have to put 1 and here it is 4. 4. So 4 into 3 it is 12. 12. Okay. 1240. 3 meter 30. It is not 30. It is 10. 10 multiplied 4 is equal to 1240, or we can write 12 meter 40 centimeter. Then Ashish is traveling from Hyderabad to Vijayawada. He saw this board on the highway road starting Hyderabad to Vijayawada. Okay. How much distance he has to travel from Hyderabad to Vijayawada? So from Hyderabad he saw this board to Vijayawada. It is how much? 284 kilometers. So it is given as 284 kilometer. Then how much distance is more? Suryapet to Kodat or Kodat to Vijayawada. Suryapet to Kodat, how much? That we have to do. 162 minus 120. Then Suryapet to Kodat. Koda to Vijayawada 284 minus 162. It is 2, 4, 4 minus 2, 2, 8 minus 6, 2, 2 minus 1, 1. Suryapet to Kodat. Suryapet to Kodat, it is 42 kilometer. 42 kilometer. And Kodat to Vijayawada, it is 122 kilometer. What is the distance between Suryapet and Vijayawada? The distance between Suryapet and Vijayawada, 284 minus 120. 4, 8 minus 2, 6, 2 minus 1, 1. 164. 164 kilometer. Okay. So that's all about this chapter. All the solutions, all problems are being solved. If you are interested, please do like, share, and subscribe.